Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami butterfly that, besides being very easy and very beautiful, can also be used as a bookmark. The only material needed for this model is half a square of paper. In this video I'm going to use 10 by 20 centimeters, just to make it easier to see, but you can use the size you want as long as you keep the ratio. Well, first of all, we need to divide this rectangle into two squares. To do that, just need to bring the right side to the left and make a crease. The paper was divided into 2, now we need to divide it into 4. So bring both sides to the middle . Now the paper was divided into 4 vertically, we'll have to fold in half horizontally. And with that, the paper is divided into 8 small squares. Let's turn it over, and now let's fold the middle squares along both diagonals, making something like an X. We can start by bringing the paper down, just line very well with the crease on the left side, and reinforce. And repeat the same logic, now folding the paper up. Now that we have this X, let's fold the remaining paper on the sides. Now for the next step, let's turn it over again, and using the existing creases, let's close by pushing these 2 triangles inside. With that, we have something like this. Now we're going to close the front and back, leaving the other 2 sides open. Now you can fix it a little if necessary. And rotate in this position. We have a triangle on the bottom and 2 small rectangles on top. We need to create 2 new diagonal folds, folding the corners of each one of these rectangles. The angle of this fold will determine the shape of the butterfly's wings. So try to do this more or less as I'm showing. Finishing this, we can unfold both. Now, using the same marks we just made, we are going to reverse the corners. So you just need to open, reverse the first crease, and close again. Repeat on the other side. Now each side has 2 flaps. As the last detail, we're going to take the front flaps and bring them down, just like this. And now our origami butterfly is ready! As I said at the beginning, a very easy model with a beautiful result. I hope you liked this video. If yes, remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.